I'm Monet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm coming to you guys with a high puff tutorial. So if you want to know how I do my high puff, keep watching. Now let's get into the video. For this style, you'll need a water bottle, a hard brush, a soft brush, a wide tooth comb, a scrunchie, some edge control of your choice, some oil to moisturize your hair with, edge control for your baby hairs, and an edge brush. So after taking my braids down, I get my oil and I put just a little bit on my fingertips so that I can put it on the ends of my hair, so that when my hair is fully out of the braids, my ends aren't dry. Now that they are all out, you're going to get your spray bottle and wide tooth comb to detangle your hair. I use the spray bottle because it is better to detangle your hair while damp rather than dry, because it can lead to breakage. After combing your hair out, you're going to take a scrunchie and make a mold of what the ponytail is supposed to look like. Next, you're going to take a spray bottle and spray the perimeter of your hairline. Then, you're going to take a soft brush and smooth the hair around the perimeter. Then, you're going to take your hard brush and just go over your hair one more time for extra smoothness. Now, you're going to take your edge control and rub it in your palm so that you can evenly disperse the edge control throughout your hair. Next, you're going to take your hard brush again and just go over your hair to slick it. After that, you're going to take your wide tooth comb and fluff the puff out. This is because some of the hair gets stuck at the base of the ponytail, so you're going to want to pick it out so that your puff looks as big as possible. Now for your edges, you're going to take your edge brush and just brush all your baby hairs down. Not your adult hairs, guys. Do not do your edges with adult hairs. Then take your edge control and put a little bit on each baby hair. I use Edge Booster for my baby hairs because it lasts all day and it doesn't flake. Y'all, I did not like how my puff came out because I used a different method and it's usually bigger, but I guess it's cute. But now you just take your scarf and wrap it around your hair and edges and leave it on for about 10 minutes. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed my high puff tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe below. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on my next post. Thanks for watching. Bye.